Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In order to set a password for your YouTube on your TV, you need to start by navigating to the settings menu. Look for a gear or the settings icon and click on it. Once in the settings, scroll down and select general. Continue scrolling down within the general settings until you find the system. Then click on system and then select safety. In the safety menu, you will need to enable the safety function. If you haven't set a password before, the default password is often 0000. And after enabling safety, click on the application locks, and here you can select the YouTube to lock it. If YouTube is already locked, you'll see it listed, and by selecting YouTube, you have now secured it with a default password. If you wish to change the password, you can do so by clicking on Reset Password. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.